Hello guys, today is 30th September and from tomorrow onwards, Hacktober Fest is going to start. So what is Hacktober Fest, what we actually have to do in this and how to participate in this, how to register and all the process in detail we will cover in this video. Hacktober Fest is a fest in which you have to do some online contributions to complete this festival, and these contributions to the open source project can be only done in the festival period, that is from 1st October to 31st of October. So let's see the website here. Here they are telling that it is their 10th year they are doing this, and here are some partners who are there who have supported this. Then if we scroll down, here we can read about the events and what are the rules for the event and all that. Okay, so we'll see about the participation tab. Here we can participate, here we can start participating, and as you can see there are rules here. It is for everyone. Quantity is fun but quality is the key. Short-term action, long-term impact. Here you have to contribute your code to the open source community, which is very large, and there are various open source projects, you might know this, but in these projects they require someone to contribute to these projects to help them grow, and for developers to become friendly with this open source project, they have organized this event. Until last year they were giving free t-shirts to all those who have completed 4 pull and merge requests in the time span. But from now, this year, they have stopped it. They have stopped doing this because of the logistic problems. Last year, they have supplied these t-shirts to approximately 50,000 people who have completed this. But from this year, they would be stopping it, and they would give online badges as a reward. But reward is not necessary. Doing the thing helps you to become better in this. Also, seeing others code, you can actually find out how to write code, what are the rules, what are the guidelines they are following. So registration can occur between 26th of September to 31st of September. So if you have time now, you can also register for this. You need to make some pull requests using your GitHub or GitLab account. Most of you might be using GitHub. And for the first 50,000 participants who will complete their pull request, will also tree will be planted on their name through Tree Nation that is given here. And the resources for the beginners are listed here. That is GitHub repository, how to contribute, what is open source and how to use Git. So you need to know the basics of Git and what is open source and how do we do simple pull request, merge request, all that stuff. Okay, so here there are rules defined that how your request must be there. It should be within the time limits they have given. It should have the Hacktober Fest values. It should not be spammy, and there are a bunch of requests given here. Okay, so there are also rules and guidelines written down. Then, so let's start with logging in here. So we'll click on here, start hacking. Okay, so it will authorize and ask you to sign in with your GitHub account. So mine is already done here. So here it came hello meet Patel, and down you can see it is the progress I have made so far, which is nothing. I have not started yet because October month is going to start from tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards we will start contributing. And here are the rewards, that is online badges they are going to give this time. So these are the online badges. So how this entire process works is, whenever you make a pull or merge request, the request is then accepted by the repository holder. He will accept your request, and then within a time frame of 6 hours this request will be verified by the Hacktober Fest algorithm, and after the request is verified, you would either get qualified for that request, or you may get disqualified based on their rules they have defined before. So if you are qualified, your progress will get incremented, and after you have completed all the 4 requests, the progress will get completed, and the Hacktober Fest will become over for you. So this is a great way to start contributing online, because open source is a vast thing, and there are various repositories online, where you can start small, and even you can do a minor correction there, and you can ask the repository holder to commit your changes in their repository. This is a great way to start your online contribution, open source contribution. So here in the participation tab, if you come to participating in the Hacktober Fest, here the rules are given and the GitHub link is given here. If you open this link, it will take you to your GitHub account, and there it will automatically search for this Hacktober Fest topic. So all the repositories that come in this topic are suitable for you to contribute. These are approved by the Hacktober Fest, and you can contribute in this repositories. Remember to choose the repositories that have a higher number of stars, because if the repository has high stars, there are high chances that the repository would be genuine. So you can classify the repositories based on the languages. You can classify the repositories based on the languages you have. You know the languages. You can sort it here. Also, if you go into any of the repository, for example this algorithms Python repository, if I go here you can see there is issues tab here. If I click on the issues tab, here are the issues that are listed in the repository which are found till now. If you found a new issue, you can create a new issue here. Okay, so here if I go to any of this, for example this issue, the issue is explained in detail here. The issue is explained very detail. So after reading this is the expected output, and here is what we are getting. Here is actual behavior, and various people come here and they read all this, and after reading this they do comment here that can I contribute. You have to comment like that can I contribute to this issue, or can I solve this for you. If the repository holder allows you to contribute, then he will add you he will assign you the issue, and once the issue is assigned to you, you can easily take the code, alter the code, and then ask for the pull request. If your pull request is accepted by the repository holder, and the repository must be in the Hacktober Fest topic. If this is all correct, then your pull request would be selected as a count for the Hacktober Fest, and once you do 4 of this in the month of October, you have completed this Hacktober Fest challenge, which is a good thing, because this year you will not get those free t-shirts. But doing this for t-shirts is not the mentality, I would say, because open source teaches you a lot of things that while writing code you might not understand, or how to do comments, how comments are written in companies, or in big how comments are written in places where the code base is very large. All this little things matter. All these little things matters a lot. So the motive of this is to teach you all these things which are not usually taught anywhere. Nobody teaches you to write comments in the code, but here you can read the comments written by the people and explain and explore the things how the code is written, how the comments are written, the formatting, how it is done, all that things, and you can learn a lot from this. Because when you write your code, you are within the boundary of yourself, whatever you know. But when you see the code of someone else, you get a possibility that, oh yes, this is also the way how the things can be done. So this was the motive of this competition. Hope you register for it. So if the October month is still going on, to register for this, the link is there in the description. And see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.